Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Dala and I'm glad to have you here. In today's video, we are going to be creating this beautiful short deliberate style displaying on your screen right now. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video of today. This is a beautiful protective hairstyle that is stylish, lightweight and perfect for anyone who loves a neat and trending look. I'll be taking you through the entire process step by step from sectioning the hair to achieving the final result. Whether you are a beginner hairstylist, a beauty lover, or someone looking for your next hairstyle inspiration, this video is for you. Make sure to watch until the end to see the finished look and pick some helpful tips along the way. If you're if you enjoy hair content like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so that you will not miss an upload. Now let's get right into creating this beautiful short deliberate together. So first guys, I'm going to section our hair into two parts, creating the knotless braid at the back, and also the other part is for the cornrows that I'm going to be making at the side of the hair. So guys, I will see you at the end of the video. Enjoy. because of my hair. But it's worth it. So guys, we are almost at the end of this video. I hope you enjoy watching me create this beautiful short deliberate and pick up a few tips along the way. If you love this hairstyle, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below and let me know what hairstyle you would like to see next on my channel. Also, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. If you like to support this channel and enjoy exclusive perks, please be sure to check out my YouTube membership by clicking the join button below. Thank you very much and I will see you on my next one. Bye.